Yo, what's up everyone? We're back. We're gonna hit the break wall today. You already know what happened last time. We're kind of in a rush right now, so let's just hope today goes good. I'm pretty sure we're gonna catch those legals again. We're gonna use live bait. We're gonna go for those calicos or whatever bites. Let's see what happens. Sandy?
Yeah, Sandy.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's right.
They're on the drop.
Look at that, you guys.
Sandy, baby.
All right.
Sandy. Good way to start off the day. Don Rich with the second one.
Cali
Here we go.
Caliente.
Cali's.
Cali boys.
Dang. He's ready for that freaking zoom. Nice. Don Rich showing us up on the plastic.
Walmart Space.
Walmart special, he said.
Kiss cam.
Kiss cam, kiss cam. Nice. Caesar found the
Right here,
Eagles. Caesar
Boom.
found it.
They're here. Yeah.
Nice,
baby.
bro.
That's legal.
Nice.
That's legal. Don't make a mistake.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, he's a fighter.
Let me get out of Johnny's way.
He's a fighter. He's trying to run.
Oh,
yeah, baby. Let's go, another one. Come on.
Go.
Woohoo.
Pull him out, Johnny. Pull him out.
Woohoo. Coming
Oh,
up, coming
yeah.
up. Coming up, coming up.
Oh!
Caesar said measure him. Caesar said measure him. Let's see, Caesar. We got a 17 incher. 17 incher. Woohoo! Nice one. Touch him, touch him. Big boy, touch on the belly, baby. Big old belly. Woohoo!
Locked up.
Yeah.
Really?
I don't think. Oh yeah, it is. It's a calico. Dang!
He came back, then he
Woohoo! A little one. Perfect. It was too perfect. No, no, get back, get back. Come on. Don't lose him this time. Don't lose him.
I got him, Holmes.
Yeah.
Cali.
Nice one. Woohoo, Rich.
He came back.
Came back for it. That was cool.
Yeah.
Caesar with the barracuda. Jeez.
All
Nice
right,
one,
that'll
bro.
work.
Nice. I don't know what this is. This is crazy.
Get him, Johnny.
Woohoo.
Gone. He got something.
Woohoo.
Got a barracuda right now. I don't think it's a barracuda.
Johnny hook him.
Whoa, he's fooling. He's fooling.
Jay Johnny hook him.
He's fooling.
Haven't seen no color yet.
Good
Don't
fight.
lose him.
Good fight.
Good
Johnny.
fight.
Yes, sir. Here he comes. Calico.
Big calico.
Big calico. Another one.
Oh, another big calico.
Sankey thing.
Ah, oh my goodness, Richie!
Sankey
Look
thing.
at that
Yeah,
one!
baby. Woohoo.
Woo, Johnny!
Catching them today. On the lip again. Woohoo, look at him.
In the rock.
Nice. This guy's a fighter. This guy's a little fighter, man. Came back to the... We just left the break wall. Came back to the rigs. Caught a little big calico. We got done with our live bait, so
Oh, man.
it's really like 10 o'clock. We're gonna fishing here for like an hour. And head out.
Little fighter.
Rich called this one. Let's see what he got.
Little fighter.
Ooh.
Called it.
What did he say? Quality? What did he say?
Quantity over quality, guys.
Oh my
It's
god.
okay. Hurricane's coming. Get what you can get and get out.
I got a legal sculpin.
Yeah.
Legal sculpin coming
Oh,
up.
damn, that's
In Sandbass Junction, everybody.
Yes, sir.
dang, that thing is
This is legal right here,
Oh my
but
God.
we're not keeping him.
That boy.
He looks crazy. God, looks crazy.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Another little sculpin. Let's call it little Icho. Little Icho right there.